So yeah, let's have a look. That's quite nice how it looks like in the area. It picks up a bit of a blue from somewhere in here. So yeah, today we're gonna look at the case from Elago. It's like this. So I haven't heard of them before. So I said let's give it a try. I do like the looks of this case. They also give you some stickers. And as you can see inside is like this material. Also has a MagSafe ring. These are covered and it looks like it's some sort of a leather. So let's see how well it fits. Wow, it's going in very nice and smooth. Let's see on this side. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna remove it though. But it fits like a glove. You can see the logo in there. And it has a bit of a raised edge all over. Again, the cutouts are spot on. And yeah, even on the camera it's raised, and this is metal. And yeah, you can still have the MagSafe, and I think with this case it works really well because this ring is quite minimalistic. Yeah, so access everywhere. But guys, look, this is so nice. Matches perfectly. Don't know if it's leather, but what do they say? Definitely a really nice case. I'm really liking it. So let's see if we can take it out. Oh yeah, no problems at all. Very easy to remove as well, hopefully. Because I've seen it's not very flexible. So that's why I was a bit worried, but once you remove this bottom, you can slowly drag it out without hopefully any issues. Ooh, that's a bit weird. What's that noise? Creates a bit of a tension. And then that's it. Hopefully I didn't really crack anything. Didn't like the sound of that. But yeah, it's understandable because it's not very flexible. So yeah, there you have it.